Hi everyone, I am Afro Pierre and welcome to the Afrochibi Champs TCG channel. Welcome to episode 1 of the virtual rulebook. If you're ready, let's do it. Today's episode we're going to be focusing on what you need to play Afrochibi Champs TCG. Number 1, land zones. All you need is 10 land zones per person, and this is what creates the battlefield itself. So the pyramid are made up as row 1 all the way to row 4. This is the place where your Afrochibis will be situated and also where they'll be moving. It's like a game of chess. Number 2, you'll be required to use at least 1 dice. This is what determines the play of the game in terms of attacking your opponent. Number 3, 10 Afrochibis to start the game off. They'll be broken down into different power groups and they'll be placed onto those land zones you've just made. Start with your power 1s, 3 power 2s, 2 power 3s, and 1 power 4. Number 4, you will also need a cavalry. Cavalries are made up as power 1, a power 2, and a power 3 Afrochibi. Number 5, your deck. Your deck will be filled of either 30 cards, 40 cards, or 50 cards, depending on what type of game you'd like to play. They will consist of tactic cards and remaining Afrochibis that you want to try and bring in the game to implement your strategy. Number 6, your power base. Power base is where you play power cards. They'll be situated on the left-hand side of your battlefield. Number 7, power base entrance. A power base entrance is an icon that you could use, it could be a 2p or anything you would like to use, to be placed on row 3. So yeah guys, there you have it. This series is going to be explaining absolutely everything in the game. It's a virtual rulebook for a reason, so it's going to tell you the details, the movement, the flow of the game, the strategies, the details of the cards themselves. So if you're looking forward to that, as always, please subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you know when I'm going to be doing a new video. I've got nothing much to say except for peace and love, guys. I will see you at the next one. Take care.